Supporting the development and production of mRNA-based vaccines has been challenging. The materials needed for mRNA vaccine development and production had to meet strict quality and regulatory standards and be available on a global scale. Because using appropriate grade raw materials throughout the development process is vital for rapid commercialization of mRNA therapeutics and vaccines. The quality of these materials has a direct and significant impact on your final drug product and on your ability to receive regulatory approval. That's why the TheraPure GMP portfolio of nucleotides and enzymes was developed. Let's take a tour of the site where many TheraPure GMP products are made in Vilnius, Lithuania. We'll see how Thermo Fisher Scientific meets the quality and production capacity challenges to successfully partner with developers to bring mRNA-based vaccines to the market on a global scale. First, we'll visit the fully equipped media preparation area. This area provides a controlled, contamination-free environment for media preparation for the cells that will produce recombinant enzymes. Prepared media is then transferred to bioreactors in the fermentation area for large-scale bacteria growth and recombinant enzyme production. Once fermentation is complete, recombinant enzymes are separated and purified using filtration and column chromatography in the clarification area. Stringent QC testing is performed in the analytical laboratory to ensure compliance with enzyme performance and quality standards. On the opposite side of the corridor from enzyme production, our facility boasts a nucleotide manufacturing suite. The TheraPure GMP nucleotides produced here are synthesized from high-quality raw materials in a variety of formats, formulations, and volumes for convenience and flexibility. Consult with our nucleic acid therapeutic business development management team to leverage TheraPure GMP products in the development and manufacturing of your mRNA or oligo-based therapeutic or vaccine.